Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Tuesday, April 24th, 2018. Extreme weather around the world. On Sunday, there was a torrential hailstorm in Toluca, Mexico, covering the entire city in white. Also on Sunday, severe storms bringing torrential hail and unbelievable lightning struck parts of Germany, also covering areas in hail. An anomalous superstorm hit Dhaka, Bangladesh on Sunday, bringing hurricane-force wind gusts and torrential rain. And in Argentina, severe storms brought destructive winds and tornadoes, uprooting trees and damaging homes. The Japan Meteorological Agency has raised the alert level for Mount Shirane volcano from level 1 to 2 on Sunday. The JMA said volcanic earthquakes at the Ugama crater have been on the rise since April 21st, accompanied by slight crustal movement signaling higher eruption risk. And there was enhanced activity at San Cristobal volcano in Nicaragua on Sunday, spewing ash and steam into the air. Massive landslides in Tijuana, Mexico forced hundreds to flee their homes. Some 70 homes collapsed in February alone. Authorities are conducting soil studies to determine the cause. A new sunspot, AR2706, and northern coronal hole turned to face Earth on Sunday. The sunspot poses no threat for strong solar flares. Solar wind from the coronal hole might graze Earth's magnetic field on April 25th or 26th, bringing minor G1 geomagnetic storms. More mass animal deaths as more than 60 dead penguins washed up on shores of New Zealand in 2 weeks. Hundreds of shearwaters, petrels, prawns, and penguins, including dead poisonous pufferfish, were reported to have washed up along the coastline this year. So far this year, the numbers for mass sea life deaths are in the millions. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.